Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your game plan list on eFootball. So it's pretty simple. So to do that, you want to click on game plan at the bottom of your screen, and then it's going to take you to your game plan section. Over here at the side of your screen at the left side, you're going to see your team's logo. So my team's logo is Manchester United, that's why it's being shown over here. Yours is going to be different, but doesn't matter, just click on the team's logo. Once you click on your team's logo, from all this option, the last option where it says game plan list, click on it. And then it's going to take you to your game plan list, and all of the game plan which you have created is going to be available over here. Now choose the game plan which you want to delete. So for an example, I want to delete this game plan called 1223. So at the bottom of this game plan, there is the 3 dot. I need to click on the 3 dot, and then I need to choose delete game plan. And it says game plan cannot be restored after deletion, which means once you delete this game plan, you cannot recover it ever again. So if you're okay with that, then click on delete and your game plan will be deleted, and it's going to load, and click on OK, and it's done. So that is how we guys can delete your game plan list on eFootball. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.